The accurate display of the date can be crucial, whether you're using your iPhone for business tasks or daily activities. If the current format isn't intuitive for you, with a simple adjustment, you can tailor it to your needs. In this guide, I will show you how to quickly and efficiently change the date format on your iPhone, step by step. So, before we begin, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you'll always be notified about new tutorials I post. Now, let's start by opening the settings. Once you're in the settings, the next step is to scroll down a bit, find the General section, and tap on it. When you're in the General section, scroll down again and find the option called Language and Region. When you find it, tap on it. Once you're in this section, you'll see many options. Now, find the option called Date Format and tap on it. After doing that, you'll see a list of different date formats you can choose from. Browse through the available options and select the one that suits you best. Whether you want the date to be displayed as day, month, year, or month, day, year, simply tap on your preferred option. As soon as you select the new format, the changes will be automatically applied, and your iPhone will immediately display the date in the selected format. You have now successfully customized the date format to your preferences. And that's all for this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my channel, MobiTechStar. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.